Today I'd like to show you how you, if you're having problems with Razer Synapse 2 or 3, how you can use another software to customize your Razer product. So as you've come to realize, Razer does not provide software for Mac anymore, but there is a solution out there called Razer macOS. I'll provide the link in the description and now show you step by step how you can install this and what you can do with it. So when you get to this landing site, you can scroll down to download latest release. And there's also a lot of other information here. For example, what devices are covered and details about functions. But we want to go to latest releases, scroll down here to Razer macOS. The latest one currently is from 2022. We then download that package, and as soon as it's downloaded, we can open it, and then we drag that one into our applications. So let's see if we do that. We then can go to applications and open that one. As is customary with Mac these days, a warning will pop up that Razer macOS cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified. This happens a lot when you don't download apps through the App Store. It's not necessarily a problem, and we can still open the file if we go to privacy and security. Currently we don't see any option here, but as soon as we press cancel, Razer macOS was blocked from use because it's not from an identified developer. We see this pop up and we can decide to open it anyway. We need to enter our password and then press open here. As soon as we do that, we can open this application and this window will come up. What you need to do is to select your device. You do this from the top right corner here, where the mini icon for this app is now present. Here you pick your device. For me it's a Razer Death Adder Essential. We can press that one and suddenly we can adjust some settings. For example, we can adjust the color, the DPI, which is important for me, and also specify brightness for the logo or the scroll wheel. There are also additional settings here. For example, you can choose to not have your color static, but it could be a spectrum or run in a cycle. Please note that some of these preferences don't work on all devices. It depends on if that device allows for it. For example, my Razer Death Adder Essential does not allow for a spectrum. You need to pick a static color here. There are also other things to pick from, and I would recommend reading the details in the link provided. I will also provide in the comments all devices that this currently works for. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave them in the comments and I'll try to address them as soon as possible. If this video was helpful to you, please consider leaving a like as it helps the channel. Thank you very much.